Oh, okay. Squirt. Shoot.
Slime.
You never check if your brake fluid was empty or had.
Press each other and cut each other off. No, 3 of you guys.
It's not a race. You guys are there to have fun, but it's not a race.
Yeah.
Your first time?
Timer.
How do you feel? You're not excited? Daddy's talking. Yeah, I can read it all over your face.
First thing I tell her, she like, "You want to come?" She's like, "No." I'm like, "What?"
They got you a bike. You gotta get used to
We're
it.
gonna find some.
Let's have fun today.
Is Pastor Pop's gonna say something?
Yeah. Ready?
Shh, no, we have to prepare ourselves for the day. Wait. Wait, Pops is gonna do a little.
Real quick. Here you go. Guide us today. Follow us all day today. Protect us from, guide us safely. Have fun. Enjoy the day. All that matters is family. Amen. Enjoy.
Amen. Amen.
Yes, Father.
Pastor Paul.
What's your name now? Yeah, now try. Try. Okay. Wait. Yeah, go down 1, and then when you go back over there, then you go back to 2. Okay? Because you're going up the hill. So go 1. Bring your bag with your strainer. know, Jane. If it doesn't, you're gonna have to roll that one. Pops can put it on his bike. Yeah, but they still gotta. Yeah, they gotta.
Playing Among Us. Among Us HD.
HD.
Oh, the song. What's the new one? Better kite. Continue.
Is it gonna stay though? Oh, every time?
Easy. Yeah.
These are automatic starters.
And yeah. And I don't hire.
Stay.
Oh, fuck.
I have to leave the game. I'm not like that.
Mace, you can take off your helmet if it's hot. Darren, unstrap him. You just get a drink of water. Ask your brother for water. You already drink? Through your helmet?
What, you never even took gas today?
Oh, this thing no more fucking extra spot on top this coil. I mean this star. It's just one single fucking cord.
Erla, the one day you don't bring your strainer, the water's gonna be perfect up there. Just watch. It's okay, my dad left the wire up there. Yeah, and I have some bags. Riley, is this fun or what? Yeah. Abby, is this fun or what? Now I know who she gets it from.
We went already. What are you going to the same one?
Give me.
Can I handle my
Bro, fucking warm, bro.
Is this your mom?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I'll have one. This has a cheese in it, yeah?
Yeah, see, that's it.
Pop, I mean, Brayden Jr. Pops Jr. I like one.
No, I surprised my mom, man. I surprised
She was
my
already
mom.
making this.
Done already. I surprise her. I go bring her water.
Take off your hat.
Thank you. And I look at it. Oh, Bismillah. Yeah, Bismillah.
So this one talked you into coming?
I want to go over there.
We're not going inside pipe first. Inside pipe first is hard. We're not going inside pipe first. We're going to the what do you guys think? Huh? Oh, it's like this.
Mason, you want me to just ride that thing up? Cool. What happened?
Hey Joyce, they gonna come through here?
What happened? What happened?
You fell?
You fell over? You okay? Nice. Jeans died out again. Oh, is that what happened?
Oh, I can grab your stinky feet.
DR, go, DR.
Figure this one might be a little easy, but
DR, maybe you should bring your bike up already. Bring your bike up. How's it feel, Date? Watch out, Gene. Watch out. Watch out.
Was their nephew? His name is Michael.
Yeah, Michael.
I think he bites him.
Gene, watch out.
I seen you guys go. I could hear him. Yeah. We didn't coast down the hill without motor. So I could hear you guys coming. So that's what we usually do when it goes down. We roll up so we can hear if anybody coming up with us. We just Thursday, Saturday, Sunday.
Not starting, Mark? No? Oh!
My friend has been built mostly on his field.
This is so nice. You sure it's blood? No. Is it? G, watch out. You're coming down. So is your bike gonna start, Gene?
Huh?
Is your bike gonna start?
He was doing good over there.
Yeah, we have to keep bump starting. Earlier when you guys went up, I was like, oh, I hold the clutch.
Was
And,
when I went to that dead end over
yeah,
there.
when I went up and then hold the clutch, I was gassing him, I think. Or gassing me up. The thing seemed like, I think 1 ounce.
Where'd the rest of the kids go? They already went up? Is that it? Is that the dive?
Let's get the gate closed.
Oh, I see, I see.
Now they have the gate closed. Ready,
Mason, you get a head start. Go. Where's your bike? Where's your bike? Huh?
It's down there.
Your bike is down there? Oh, go get it. You got it, Date? Mace, over here, your bike. Hurry up, you get a head start. Oh, you gonna ride him with it?
Go, go.
Go.
You don't get lost, man.
Dayton probably cannot kick with his foot. Good. Dayton, hold on, Date. out, Dave. On the side, on the side. Where does it hurt? Bye. It's okay, you're good. Where does it hurt? Who? Yeah. Waiting for PJ probably. Go there already. Riley! Riley! Your mom. Yeah. Riley, just wait for your dad. Wait for your dad. What do you mean? His bike is right here. Yeah, he just got lost. Wow.
No. Wait, we're doing this side. Are we gonna fall? We're gonna go.
You okay though, Mace? Sorry about that. I know you're sad about it, but you made
The
it.
only person ever get lost was Auntie Erla. Literally.
She knew
only
where the
Auntie
path
Erla.
was. We didn't believe PJ when he said you was lost. We're like, no, she came before us. Are we missing anyone? You sure? All the kids? We have all the kids? What are you guys doing?
TikTok.
Oh my gosh. Really? 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 Really, of all places? Mace, Dayton, you guys take a picture.
Where
Go over there, buddy.
Middle.
Middle of what?
Pine forest.
Middle of what? Pine
The
forest.
real one.
Careful, dear. Right? You're just gonna roll down there. Where are you going? Where are you going? Crazy. What kind of spider is that? What kind of spider is it? Yeah. Don't get bitten.
Yeah.
We're still going to Pine Forest?
No, you don't need to go all the way inside.
I don't trust you anymore.
No, trust me, man.
Fuck.
Don't go inside.
So many people got like lost today.
No, the only person
No,
was
I-
Auntie Erla.
There's your guys' leader, Bob.
I didn't even see
never
Pops
knew.
for a while.
I was still behind.
You know Mason, he fucking comes walking out of the forest and he's crying.
No, but he was in the trail, yeah. When you guys found him, he was inside the trail.
He was in the trail, but he couldn't find anybody.
Oh, the leader.
So he was crying and he's like, I couldn't find anybody.
I wasn't the leader, but I was.
That was freaking crazy. That was nuts.
Uncle Pop's.
Look, get PJ's name on top.
Where?
No, I saw that.
Where?
Can you like tag your name?
Uh-oh.
Like put your name on top?
Mark, help him out.
Our nephew. Our nephew.
Oh, 1, 2.
You can just go in there.
Yeah.
There's one part in there that had like big freaking roots, like logs,
That one I seen.
and had like all leaves over it.
We couldn't see a trail. Like, I swear, me and Daryl was driving through and we're like, is it left or right, left or right? And then we saw Mason come out of the blues.
Okay, that's where I'm trying to go. How much should I go there? There was this one place. I was literally like, okay, almost there.
You know, we wouldn't have waited unless PJ said that you guys were still behind. We're like, no, he already went. We kept insisting too. It's like, no, they never.
I was lost because this guy would have been left behind.
Oh my god, I was thinking about that too. I was like, fuck, if we left any of the kids. Oh my god.
It was meant to be
The whole time I was thinking, I was like,
What happened, old man?
I want to be Mason.
And imagine like trying to find these kids here.
Just cruising.
I kept calling your phone.
Hey, if you
I
guys
couldn't
ever
find
want
it.
to
Trail in.
fucking rev your engine.
Yeah, or go on a trail that's open and then wait for
Go
there.
back down where you came up from. And you end up on the main trail.
Yep.
The more you go,
God, I'll try to go as far as school. Like, fuck that, I went back down. We didn't have that drive. So we took to the street.
Is it gonna turn out?
Yeah? No, yeah.
At the bottom. At the bottom, but that's where we went up.
Valley and then another valley before that, yeah?
What is that?
That's picnic.
A cloud.
See those trees?
A mountain.
Cowboy to picnic.
It's also an ocean.
Wait, what are these?
yeah, the easy one.
The muddy one, yeah?
Muddy one.
That's the muddy one that we did. Yeah.
But the next one we're gonna go apply for is service road.
How'd your bike do? Did you fall?
Yes. Yeah, I did.
Where?
I don't know.
Did you get lost?
No.
Yeah.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we did. Your dad got us lost.
I never did anything.
So super,
Good choice.
Jesus. Yes, I did.
We'll get you back. I'm glad you guys could come.
Oh, so strong in the grip.
DR, get back over here.
Picture of her face.
DR. DR.
Can you take us
Darren,
up?
look. Darren, look.
Yeah, so me, you, Darren, go up.
Darren, look at your dad.
Oh.
Darren, you're gonna roll.
Bye-bye.
Uncle Mark, you're gonna take us up?
Where?
Are you freaking watching YouTube?
DR, your son.
What happened? How did you get to watch on your phone? Darren, no. How did you open it?
The other one's down there already. Like father, like son.
So that's why I told Mason go already.
By himself. By himself. Yeah, but Mason was going the right way. But he freaked out because nobody was there, I think. I already have pictures of them.
No, I gotta make sure that I can tell you guys both survive.
I took pictures already.
Send us video. Don't take pictures of you guys, then we'll turn your head inside. I did it. Mason.
Why are you videoing?
I'm not.
Oh, you gotta do them again. Soon his panty. Okay, hey, Tita, what you doing? Get over there.
Oh!
Just kidding.
Damn, Brady.
Oh,
Second
One.
One.
Two,
Brady's
three.
What do you think? Is it nice one?
Yeah, it is, but if you go off time, if you go off Hollywood, off the rim, nice. So I told him, you get one brand new one.
Wow, how you on AP?
This way.
Oh, then you turn around. You turn around.
I get one brand new boots. See, I'm not gonna feel it.
Go, Mason, you first. Back brakes, yeah, Mace.
Mace, back brake. Go for your front.
Yeah, use your back brakes.
No need to start, just roll them.
All the way down, Mace.
Bombs away.
Don't leave him behind. Nobody else.
Yeah. But it would be the hard one, eh? The easy one, eh?
Kayla was the one who got us lost. Kayla turned around and we followed her. That was, yeah. Yeah, Erla was stuck in a hole too.
She died out and she's like, whoa, I thought you were in the middle.
No. On the cliff one.
No way, man. This is way too advanced.
Yeah, that's it.
We can hear you guys when you guys come down. Then. Yeah.
This looks so pretty down there.
All the way up. About 5-10 minutes.
And what's up there? Just pine trees?
Pine trees and the view.
I got a view right here. I got a nice view down here. Go, Erla. It's your flat tires and your shoes. Pobs is up there. Pobs.
Where's the cliff?
Just right here.
Just right there. It's not that bad.
I guess it's just like that.
I'm gonna go.
You going? Where are you going?
Wants to go.
It's right. It's literally right here. The cliff. Go look up there.
Just go up, right there. Just go up to the base of the pine tree. Right there, just the pine tree.
Where are your son going?
Oh, he went last night. Yes,
Oh yeah? Oh, this is the same trail?
There you go.
That's the same trail?
The same trail.
That's it? That's all of them? Yeah, the two boys are already up there. Oh, this is kind of tricky. Yeah, I don't know. There's no way I would have like made it up to this trail. Should we turn back now? There. Wait. I did. them up here, the tire. You going up there? Is it pretty far, dear? To walk up? Hiking once again. No, you're not gonna break anything. Go, Arla, go. Go, Arla. Gas 'em. Ah! Yeah! Woo! Keep going. Daryl just went down, but Erla's right here. Erla? Yeah? Oh, it's not so bad here. I feel like that's been my exercise lately. It's okay. Erla's right there. She's taking a break.
She got up the hill herself?
No, Mark made it halfway, and then she took home the rest of it. Tisha coming? Tisha? Why? Oh, she didn't think that. Take your time. No. He'll know where to go anyway. Not that I know of. You can spot them.
Probably can.
Or over here?
Oh, over there.
I'm up here.
Who's this? Who's this? Back brakes. Wait, stand up. Back brakes.
Tisha.
Back brakes. Back brakes. Back brakes.
Kayla coming down.
Hey, back brakes. Over your back brakes. Over the clutch. Over your back brakes.
Oh yeah, that's right. Birthday boy, yeah.
White helmet. Read him. Hey, how's your gas?
Plenty gas. Oh, you ready now?
Wait.
Get strapped, dear. Get the rubber.
Let me put the bungee cord. There. I need.
Oh, that was so smooth.
Okay, we can just every weekend.
Right here, dear. The straps are. I want one.
You gonna lean him? Sit.
Yours, we just picked up. Oh, so sorry. You have 4, you said.
This is what happens when you lose track of time. Too much fun.
Having fun.
Too much fun, yeah.
Hanging out up at Rainforest for too long.
We'll just start counting that one. First one?
The second one.
The second one. Because we're up there.
Get one on that side.
Yeah.
We'll take the other 2 if you have 4.
When somebody said 4 o'clock, I was like, it's only 4 o'clock, but I forget the sun goes down early again. Yeah, it was June, but we didn't even care about it either, yeah?
Whatever.
Yeah.
We're here. Seeing the kids.
Actually, I like to take so. Actually, we make the bike go this way. Here. The longer one. So we gonna make it this way.
I tell her, turn off the truck. She tell me.
Because sometimes
Up or down? What is
Sometimes the way you say stuff, like you know how you say syrup, not syrup.
What? Syrup?
Yeah, ask him how to say syrup.
How do you say syrup?
I know what that choke is on and off.
I mean, like, fuck.
It's alright. It was a fun day. Get
Am I a fucking mechanic? What the
Supposedly you're
fuck?
better than me.
So no, it's just the fact that I do it.
Gemma's got Molokai bread at home, at the house. Molokai bread. Look at these two. Anybody want popcorn?
Right?
Yeah, I got the caramel popcorn. Well, Abby's not sitting on PJ's lap, so Pops. Pops, you can sit on PJ's lap.
Yeah, you can sit on his lap. Or he can sit on your
I don't
lap.
know, he might go, whoa.
Might just get too excited, yeah, Pops.
Oh, I'm excited.
I'm so excited.
Good on the strap. Oh, one more. Just for this one.
That's pretty cool that lady. Did the lady give the water too?
Yeah.
The bottle of water for the kids? Wow. That's good.
She actually says we can use her restroom? Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you guys go?
No.
No, but just whenever, like, whenever people ready. Yeah.
Watch like 20 people pull up to her house. Yeah, can we use your bathroom? Oh my gosh. Maybe she'll have dinner too.
That's why I like always telling them like whenever you pass by.
Oh, just keep
they
that
pass
behind.
by.
The gas can too.